Because I didn't have the chance of showing you in our last edit, I'm gonna show it you now. I'm just gonna open this image a little bit, and because our last model didn't had a full smile on her face, I just want to show you how you can brighten up some teeth. Because the color of the teeth is important, and we also want to look natural and have a beautiful smile in the pictures. I'm going to show you how you can improve the smile or increase the brightness. Usually, even if you're using a flash or if you're using natural light, the fact that the whole smile is in the shadow of the lips, no matter how white are the teeth of the model, they will have a slight shadow or maybe a slight yellow tint. This is completely natural and this is completely normal, but I'm gonna show you how to brighten this area up in Photoshop now. So let's duplicate this background layer, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on our selection tool here, and with our brush I'm gonna select and I'm gonna color only the teeth. It doesn't have to be perfect. And by the way, our model has a beautiful looking smile. We don't want to modify that, we just want to enhance it. It's just the little things that you can fix along the road. Now zoom out. Ctrl-Shift-I. Now that you make a selection, hit Ctrl-J, and now we have a selection of our teeth. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make them black and white using an adjustment layer. Click on the icon here. If you are still not finding your adjustment tab, just go to Window and click Adjustment. Now let's create a clipping mask, and we want to make the teeth black and white, and also on top of my black and white I want to go with the curve adjustment layer, and I'm gonna increase the middle tones of my curve adjustment layer. Now it looks fake. Of course, we don't want that. We are not making an advertising at toothpaste. As you can see, we have a spillage here. So that's why I didn't tell to make a perfect selection, because we can always create a layer mask and paint with the black on the gums. Now what we can do is to decrease the opacity of our black and white layer to remove some of the yellow stains, and now we're gonna increase the opacity of our curve layer, and let's see how it looks now. We can group this layer. This is a after, before, and after. Now it looks better. Now the image is complete. Now it's a beautiful smile. If we had a flash turn even higher, or if we move our light a little bit lower to also capture the teeth a little bit more, we had the same image result. But the fact, like I told you, the fact that the lip is making a shadow on the teeth, they will mostly 90% of the times you will have a darker area around the mouth. Well, maybe if you use a ring flash or something like this, or a direct flash, maybe the things are a little bit different. But in our case, it's nice to know that you can also do this.